this story of Prophet Adam salam, a powerful lesson for humanity. Long ago, before the creation of mankind, Allah created the first human, Prophet Adam salam. He was made from clay, and Allah breathed life into him, granting him knowledge, wisdom, and the ability to understand and speak. Allah taught Adam salam the name of all things, giving him knowledge that even the angels didn't have. When Allah tested the angel, they couldn't name the things Adam salam had learned, proving that humans had a unique ability to understand and learn. But among those present was Iblis, a jinn who had been worshipping Allah for centuries. When Allah commanded the angels and Iblis to Adam salam as a sign of respect, Iblis refused. He was arrogant, said, "I am better than him. You created me from fire while he is from made of clay." Because of his arrogance and obedience, Iblis was cast out of paradise. But before leaving, he robbed to misguide Adam salam his descendants until the day of judgment. Allah created a partner for Adam salam, Hawwa, and placed them in paradise. They were allowed to enjoy everything except for one forbidden tree. Iblis, full of envy, decided them by whispering, "Shall I show you a tree?" That moment they realized their mistake and felt deep regret. They cried out, "Oh, our Lord, we have wronged ourselves. If you don't forgive us and have mercy on us, we will be lost." Allah in His infinity mercy forgave them, but sent them down to earth as a test for them and their descendants. Adam salam became the first prophet, guiding humanity to worship Allah and live righteously. The moral lesson is obedience to Allah is the key to success.